Good afternoon, and I have to pick my mic, otherwise there won't be any voice in here. This is a little bit of a testing stream to see if everything's up to date after my holidays, and maybe if we have some time left, it will be a short stream today, just to check systems and things like that, and see if everything is up to date. Let's first start the show. I think that still works. So let's have a quick look at the code window. Let's see if that's working. We do have a machine here. This is, which one is this? It's 19, I guess. 19 with the preview version of Visual Studio. Let's check that. Installer. I guess there's an update on that as well. Checking for updates. That's available. So let's move that into update. Then go to the other screen. Let's move in secrets quickly, just to connect to the other screen. Connect, select RDP. How is everyone doing? Been away for like 2 weeks, I think. Keep the RDP, open it. Head back on screen and go back to live coding here. Allows me to start the other machine. We had built 2024, not last week, but the week before that, and a lot of news came from that again. A lot of AI Copilot. Let's see if this one is up to date. While this one is installing. So a lot of Copilot stuff and AI stuff came from the Build conference. What we're going to have a quick look at is the Book of News. Every year they come with a new Book of News. Let's see if I can find that quickly. Book of News Build 22. I've been looking for every year. So let's see. Accept everything. Book of News 2024. I've been looking at this before, but I guess it was updated after the show to include all the secrets. I wonder if we can download it somewhere. Visual Assets. Ignite. 2023. Let's quickly go over here first. Installer. To bore you with some Studio updates, maybe. That has an update as well. That's Teams. That's something completely different. So one of the things they announced at Build 2024 is the general availability of Aspire. That's for one thing. That's something I really want to have a look at this week. Let's close the Teams there. What's new in Teams? I didn't ask for anything new in Teams right now. Go back to the book. Let's see what Copilot can tell me about it. Stop responding. Can you tell me where I can download the most recent version of the Build 2024 book of news? Maybe as a PDF. To store locally. You need to be a little bit verbose with Copilot. I was not asking what's in there. I wanted to know where it's available for download. I asked where I could download the book of news. I don't have access to an external file or URL. So basically ask me to do it, to find it myself. That doesn't help. Maybe this is just about the book of news, because I don't see much news here yet. Additional resources. I do have a downloaded version, but that's the one pre-built, and it was under NDA. Lock. Additional resources. Khan Academy. It's a joint venture or something. I need to design big e-commerce with Blazor. Actually, there is a big e-commerce example by the Blazor team. GitHub. Welcome Shaban. Elmogi? Elmogi? How do you pronounce it? Let's sign in here. GitHub. Blazor samples. .NET Blazor samples. I think this is the one. Are we version 8 maybe? Sample signal R, web app, EF. That's not the one I was looking for. Maybe it was under Aspire. I can see why you did not find that yet. Aspire shop. Where did they put it? Maybe I put it in my notes somewhere. New topic. Where can I find the latest Blazor e-commerce sample on GitHub? With .NET or no, that's not the one. That's also not the one. That's version 6, but maybe the I do seem to remember that it was somewhere indeed in this repo, but the question is, where is it stored? Samples in the repository company, the official Microsoft Blazor documentation. user store sample or e-commerce samples. Store sample code sample application. This is the same as the one from GitHub. That's a good question. .NET community Aspire, because I know it was in the Aspire video. I think in this one, it's like a month ago. Let's have a look at that. See shop in there. There's shop. Aspire shop. There's the one. Stop it in there. Join us, Aspire documentation, repo, sample repo. Maybe it's this one. Samples. Aspire shop. I think this is the one that you were looking for. Copy. Let's job on. You were asking on YouTube, so maybe I can answer there as well. You may want to have a look at there. Hope that helps. This is still updating, so let's have a look at the other one. 19, 22. Oh, yeah, that doesn't help. He's 12 gigs of disk space. Really? Come on. Let's see, how much do we have over here? 6, that's not that much. Oh, that doesn't help either. Let's see if we have big downloads in here. No downloads at all. Not much either. We can kill that. I don't think that's too big. $24. February Blazor app. Maybe I'm throwing out everything, but then that's my own fault. Should have been checking in. If that didn't happen, then it's my own problem. Blazor was on .NET release candidate, standalone, and then some test here. More office samples. Everything from office samples, I think, should be checked in. Test Fluent Blazor. Ribbon and test. Maui. More Maui. Sounds like an ambulance outside somewhere. These are still my evening streams if I look at it. Fluent UI. This is my Aspire test, I guess. Let's have a quick look. How much we have here? 12 gigs. How much do we need? 12. 65. Retry. Oh, some of the selections are no longer fully supported and will not receive security updates. Oh, interesting. Continue. Xamarin. So I think Xamarin just died on us. It's now transitioned into Maui. Okay, let's have a look at the other one. This one's now up to date. Good. Let's have a quick look at the system updates here. That needs updates. Okay, so that's the e-commerce shop was asked for by Shaban. Place of samples. A little bit of sidetrack. Let's also have a quick look at the Office add-in samples. So one, let's see if there pull request is one pull request. From 302 to 303. Now get a notification that my work is starting in like 15 minutes. In general, I think the live stream is properly working. Everything is visible, I believe. Let's test some things there. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Want to get notified from the next live stream where we actually are going to do some real stuff. Oh, this is not that interesting for now. Let's go quickly in the book of news again. Keynote, download, visual assets. Blog. Let's go completely to the bottom there. See if there's download. 10 options. Visual assets. We only have visual assets. Let's see what's in visual assets. Let's go to SharePoint. We have visual assets for the Khan Academy, new capabilities and updates, Fabric, introducing GitHub Copilot extensions, GitHub Copilot Studio. Good afternoon, Emporium guy. Maarten. It's Maarten. It's a Dutch name for Martin, indeed. So I won't be offended if you call me Martin, because it's much easier to pronounce. How are you doing today? Real-time video translation, new features in Microsoft Teams. But this is also not the book of news. It's about global storytelling. Interesting. Yeah, how about me? I'm fine, yeah. I just returned from my vacation last week. I had a lot of catching up to do, so I didn't live stream last week, but I'm intending to do a full live stream again this week. Will even be my birthday on Thursday, not on Tuesday, Thursday, so yeah, no celebration at all, I guess. Also no live stream on my birthday because it's on a Thursday and usually have live streams on Monday, Wednesday and Friday at this time. This is still updating. Let's see this, because this one finished with updating. So let's have a look at terminal. Oh, that's the wrong terminal. Terminal. There's no terminal in here. Really? That's the command prompt. That's interesting. I think that's in the part of the store these days. Come on. Windows Terminal. Which machine was this? The 19 or the other one? This is a 19. So we do have a preview of Studio. So maybe we should also do terminal preview in there then. Oh, there it was. Open. That's the boring prompt. So let's have a look here at Google. Oh my gosh. I did have some links in my notes, I think. Getting started here. Copy. Installation for Windows. Copy that. Let's see. Installed a couple of things. On my Bosch. Antivirus is not an update, so that's not necessary. Go to next. So now next. Fonts. Copy. Oh. That should be on terminal. And the suggestion for this font is like Meslow, because that has all the glyphs in it. Meslow. That's also a nerd font. And then we need to put this font into the defaults of the profile settings. Oh, by the way, something needs to be done there, I think. Next, install a font, yeah. That's what we are currently doing. And then configure your shell to use Oh My Posh. did I set back to the previous page? PowerShell, yeah. Notepad profile. Yeah, that's true. So if we don't have that, we need to create that first. Now it found it. And add the following line. Save. And close, I guess. Then we need to load it again. Dot profile. Yeah, we have something there. Oh, why is it opening not opening the terminal? Terminal. See data repos. See the office samples. So I'm still missing some of the glyphs there. No, I don't want the news in there. Background off. Yeah, I need an account for that probably to get the things in there, but I don't want the background in here either. Still refuses to disable the background there. But I was looking for this one. Instructions by Hanselman. Maybe you can use the same install font thing that we previously used in here somewhere. There. Copy. Oh, we probably need to Scadia code. That's the thingies like the arrows and things in there. Cascadia code. it's stored. Extract it all. So apparently there's no download for the Book of News, at least that's not what I found there. Let's see, which one do I need here? Install the TTF. TTF. Oh, static. Not sure if we need a static one as well. Notepad. Profile. Well, it is loading, but it's not loading the font here. Maybe, oh, that's the reason about it, is that I need to put this one as well in there as well. So I need to go to settings. You click the shift and click settings. You open it in code, I believe. Oh, it's opening it in Visual Studio. That's a bit heavy. I also think there is an option to do it in the UI these days. It was mentioned somewhere here. No. One more thing. One more thing. Started. One more thing. There's always one more thing. At least for the startup, we can say like PowerShell. I wonder which one is the right one. Default terminal. Oh, startup. This, by the way, is interesting. Let's see. Launch on machine startup. Can do that when terminal starts. Open it up with the default profile. New window. Launch size. Default terminal application. That should be terminal preview in this case. Save that. And why didn't it open the settings there? Shift, let's try again. Oh, there it is. Now we need to find profiles. Profiles. There, defaults. And by default it's empty. Notepad. put that into the defaults. Save and close this. And oh, now we do have the glyphs. Let's see what's PowerShell is this. Oh. Yeah, nothing. PowerShell version. I've been looking for that more often, apparently. Copy. Version 5, so that's the old one. 714, that's the one we need. There's an update for this as well. Or maybe just going to the path that it provided here. Google update PowerShell winget. Winget upgrade PowerShell. Winget upgrade PowerShell. For 742, that's the right one. Oh, it's already past 3. Local time, that is. It's like 9 EST. Yeah, 9/7 EST. So I really need to wrap up here. Let's finish this for now. Need to save that. That's the font. Need to document this a little bit. This is still installing. Let's have a quick look at the other one. That's completed. Let's do the same here. Let's have a look at the Windows updates, because that's probably also a little bit behind. There you are. Install all. So, okay, let's not bother you with all the system updates there. And let's wrap this up for now. I think everything is working. Live stream. So be ready for Wednesday. If you want to join again, don't forget to subscribe to the live stream, hit the bell, or if you're on Twitch, follow me, or get a sub for that. Maybe your Amazon subscription to use that. For now, that was a quick update to get the systems up and running, to check everything, see if everything was still in working order. And let's wrap this up for now. I'll see you Wednesday. Bye bye.